Hello friends, the topic of today's video is linear regression. So in this video we'll see what is linear regression, what are the types of linear regression, and what is the linear regression line. So first of all, let us see what is regression. Regression is used to find the relationship between dependent variable and independent variable. So what is dependent variable? Suppose company want to find out the expenses of particular month. Then there are various factors which are affecting the expenses. Let us say employee salary, infrastructure expense, electric bill expense. So these are all factors affecting the expense of the company. So all these factors are independent, but expense of the companies depend on these factors. So expense of the company is dependent variable, and you can say employee salary, then electric bill expense, infrastructure expense. These are independent. So this is dependent and independent variable. And if you want to find out the relationship between dependent and independent variable, then regression is used. Now in linear regression, what happens? There is a linear relationship between dependent variable and independent variable. Suppose this is, if you look at this diagram, this is, there are two axes, x-axis, y-axis. So this is independent variable, this is dependent variable, and you will find there is a linear relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable. So this is called as regression line, and these are the data points. So these are proportional to each other, so that's why the name is linear regression. So what is the purpose of linear regression? The purpose is for predictive analysis. You can predict the future through past data. Make prediction for continuous and numeric values. So the value should be continuous or numeric. It is little bit difficult for textual data. So it shows the linear relationship between dependent and independent variable. That is the main purpose of linear regression. So I do hope you understand why the name linear, and means there is linear relationship between dependent and independent variable, and regression is used to find the relationship between dependent and independent variable. Now there are two types of linear regression: simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. So if value of dependent variable is calculated from one single independent variable, then it is simple linear regression. And if the value of dependent variable is calculated from multiple values of independent variable, then it is called as multiple linear regression. So this is the difference between single linear regression and multiple linear regression. Now there are two linear regression lines: positive linear relationship and negative linear relationship. So here you will find again there is independent variable and dependent variable. So if dependent variable increases on x-axis and independent variable increases on dependent variable increases on y-axis and independent variable increases on s-axis, then it is positive linear relationship. So you will find the dependent variable increases also, and x is also increasing, so that's why it is positive linear relationship. Now there is negative linear relationship. If dependent variable decreases, here dependent variable is decreasing on y-axis, and independent variable increases, independent variable is increasing, dependent variable is decreasing. So that's why the name is negative linear relationship. So this that's it for this video, and this is about linear regression. So if you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.